Dave Ramsey is a financial expert and radio personality who has helped millions of people get out of debt and build wealth. He is known for his no-nonsense approach to personal finance, and his advice is often simple but effective. Here is some of Dave Ramsey's advice for young people who want to get rich. Live below your means. This is the most important piece of advice that Ramsey gives to anyone who wants to get rich. If you spend more money than you make, you will never be able to build wealth. So, it is essential to live below your means and save as much money as possible. Get out of debt. Debt is a major obstacle to wealth building. The more debt you have, the less money you have available to save and invest. So, it is important to get out of debt as quickly as possible. Pay yourself first. This means setting aside money for savings and investments before you pay your bills or spend any money on anything else. This is a simple but effective way to ensure that you are always saving money, even when you are on a tight budget. Invest for the long term. The stock market is a great way to grow your wealth over time. However, it is important to invest for the long term and not try to time the market. If you invest for the long term, you are more likely to see your investments grow, even if there are short-term fluctuations in the market. Be patient. It takes time to build wealth. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Just keep saving and investing, and you will eventually reach your financial goals. In addition to these general pieces of advice, Ramsey also has some specific advice for young people. He encourages young people to start saving for retirement early, to avoid credit card debt, and to buy a house when they are ready to settle down. He also believes that young people should focus on their education and their careers, and that they should not be afraid to take risks. Ramsey's advice is simple but effective. If you follow his advice, you will be well on your way to financial success. Here are some additional tips from Dave Ramsey for young people who want to get rich. Get a budget and stick to it. This is the single most important thing you can do to take control of your finances. Avoid lifestyle inflation. It is easy to start spending more money as you earn more money. However, if you want to get rich, you need to avoid lifestyle inflation and continue to live below your means. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in yourself. This means getting a good education, developing your skills, and networking with other successful people. Be patient and persistent. It takes time to build wealth. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep working hard and you will eventually reach your goals. Following Dave Ramsey's advice can help you achieve financial success. However, it is important to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to financial problems. What works for one person may not work for another. So, it is important to find what works best for you and to be patient and persistent.